All right, let's jump right into this explainer. If you're a small business owner operating out of rural Virginia, say Clintwood, you're actually sitting on a gold mine. Imagine you're running a local AI automation agency. Let's call it BotVibe.tech. By deploying specialized lawyer intake agents, you can build a massive regional advantage. We're going to break down exactly how you can architect a strategy that totally outsmarts those giant national players and captures nearby legal demand right in your backyard. Think about this. What actually happens when a solo attorney misses a client call in the first 5 minutes? It's literally the bleeding neck of the business. Research consistently shows that the #1 reason law firms bleed leads is failing to respond within that tiny, crucial 5-minute window. And the financial hit? It is brutal. We're talking tens of thousands of dollars in lost fees from just one missed call. If a high-value prospect, like someone with a personal injury case, can't get through immediately, they don't leave a voicemail and wait around. No way. They just hit the back button and move down the Google search results to the next lawyer who actually answers. Consider this matchup. On one side, you've got a busy human receptionist. They're great, sure, but they clock out at 5 p.m. and they easily get overwhelmed when the phone rings off the hook. On the other side, a 24/7 AI intake agent, always on, instantly responsive, and infinitely scalable. It's the ultimate safeguard to completely prevent those devastating lost fees from missed client calls. So let's talk about the actual tech powering your 24/7 AI intake agent, specifically platforms like Stammer.ai and LiveKit.io. This tech creates a seamless, autonomous bridge for the firm. The absolute second a prospect reaches out, the agent jumps into action with instant engagement. It uses natural language processing to handle conflict screening right there on the spot, and then it goes ahead and books the prospect directly into the attorney's calendar using tools like Clio or Calendly. Now, even though we're focusing heavily on the highly lucrative legal sector today, you've got to realize how adaptable this is across the board. Think about how this integrates. Whether it's a law firm needing practice area alignment, a roofing company trying to pinpoint a leak, or a med spa booking a high-intent consultation, the AI handles the specific pre-qualification metrics and drops that data right into the CRM. This represents a massive shift. We are moving from a reactive search and click model straight into a proactive agentic ecosystem. We're way past the days of just throwing up a static brochure website. We're deploying proactive digital agents that capture and qualify leads while you're fast asleep. It's a complete structural transformation for local businesses. Okay, so how does a local agency actually pull this off and outrank the national giants? Let's get into hyperlocal dominance. Here is the stealth strategy for a local outfit like BotVibe.tech to absolutely crush those massive, well-funded national marketing firms. It's all about extreme precision. By generating hyperlocal content for specific towns, think Hazy or Norton, you build an unbeatable layer of deep local trust. The national guys, they're burning cash fighting over generic keywords like Virginia lawyer, totally ignoring the high-intent, hyperlocal demand from someone sitting right there in Dickinson County needing immediate help. To execute this local dominance strategy at scale, we use a tactic called programmatic SEO. Think of programmatic SEO, or PSEO, as a highly organized automated engine. You definitely don't want to manually write thousands of pages. Instead, this system takes a structured spreadsheet of local geographic data and dynamically spins it into hundreds of tailored solution nodes. It's literally how you scale your local trust footprint systematically, page by page, across the entire region. And then you stack Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO, right on top of that. This ensures your content is structured perfectly so that when a potential client asks ChatGPT or a Google AI overview for the best lawyer in Norton, your client's firm is the one cited as the unquestionable authority. You're not just hoping to rank on a results page anymore. You are the AI's definitive answer. The engine runs on this brilliantly simple formula. Take the vertical specific problem, like missed leads, add your agentic solution, the AI intake, and then tack on the geographic modifier, like Abingdon, VA. Boom! That's exactly how we dynamically generate perfectly targeted web pages for every single municipality within a 100-mile radius. All right, let's map out this regional expansion. How do we go from local to total regional dominance? You don't try to boil the ocean on day one. You start hyper-local, right in Clintwood, to build an unshakable foundation. Then you methodically radiate out to major regional hubs like Pikeville, Kentucky, and Abington, Virginia. Eventually, you push all the way to the Tri-Cities metropolitan perimeter. It's a very calculated, step-by-step radial expansion. And as you expand outward strategically, you unlock incredibly lucrative markets.
Towns like Pikeville and Abington have a super high density of professional firms, especially high-end legal practices, and they are absolutely desperate for this kind of automation to plug their leaky sales funnels.
To completely lock down this regional dominance, the playbook calls for deploying 200 hyper-targeted, high-converting long-tail articles. That is a totally manageable programmatic output that zeroes in on specific local pain points. It establishes massive topical authority without bearing you in manual labor. Now, let's talk scale. Because the tech handles all the heavy lifting, an agency can grow remarkably fast. We're talking about going from managing just 3 active agents in month 1 to a staggering 240 active agents by month 12. And the best part? You do all of this without vastly increasing your human headcount. Do the math on that. At a base price of $499 per month per agent, this local deployment model creates a highly scalable recurring revenue machine. You're looking at hitting an estimated $1.4 million annual run rate by the end of your first year. The margins are just exceptional because you've entirely decoupled your revenue from human labor. So, I'll leave you with this to chew on. In a digital economy defined by speed and accuracy, the technology is ready, the margins are incredible, and local businesses in your region desperately need to stop losing money on missed calls. The real question is, will you be the one to capture this localized agent-atheretic ecosystem in your town before the national competitors even wake up?